Good morning, students and teachers. Please pay your attention. You are hereby informed to make a line. Tie your hands back and move towards assembly area silently.
Attention please. Now, period first. कृपया ध्यान दें. पहला पीरियड प्रारंभ हुआ.
Now it's time for first period. Good morning. All students are hereby requested to keep your classroom clean and neat. And teachers are requested to check uniforms, and also you are hereby reminded to speak only in English. Now it's time for first period.
इसी प्रकार डिवाइस सभी पीरियड ऑटोमेटिक बोलेगी.
Now it's time for recess. Dear students, please wash your hands before having your lunch and keep silence during recess.
सभी छात्र, छात्राएं एवं अध्यापकगण कृपया ध्यान दें. इंटरवल का समय प्रारंभ हुआ.
Now, time to check diary. Please make sure that students have note down their homework properly. डायरी चेक करने का समय हो चुका है. कृपया सुनिश्चित करें कि छात्रों ने अपना होमवर्क सही ढंग से नोट किया है.
Good afternoon. Please pay your attention. School time is over. Please check your bags and lunch boxes. Complete your homework. Reach home without any delay. Obey your parents and elders. Now, say your class prayer. Have a nice evening. Thank you.